Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Open Gemini and create a new project by importing your photo files. Select high-resolution images that are at least 4000 x 3000 pixels for best results. Choose an edit preset or start from a blank canvas to control adjustments. Set the workspace ratio to 3, 2, or 16:9 for intended framing. Enable Auto Enhance as a baseline. It applies exposure, contrast, and color balancing. Save an initial version named Original Edit before making further changes to preserve the file. Check histogram readouts to avoid clipped highlights or shadows during the first pass. Use the adjustment panel to refine exposure, contrast, saturation, and white balance precisely. Apply local edits with the brush tool using sizes around 25% of image width for detail. Set feather to 50px to blend corrections smoothly into surrounding pixels. Increase clarity by 10 to 20% to enhance midtone contrast without creating halos. Use healing and clone tools to remove distractions at 1 zoom for accuracy. Preview changes and toggle before slash after to ensure edits remain natural and believable. Use mask feather and opacity to fine-tune transitions down to 15% opacity when needed. Once satisfied, choose Export and select JPEG or PNG depending on image requirements. Set JPEG quality to 80% for balanced compression and file sizes near 3.5 MB on average. Choose sRGB color profile for web use and Pro Photo for print workflows as needed. Name exported files using version tags like V1 Edit and V2 Color for easy tracking. Compare exported files using split view or overlay at full resolution to check subtle differences. Keep original RAW and exported copies in separate folders, with metadata preserved and backed up. Document your settings in a short text file to replicate edits across similar photos efficiently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.